Welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an recruitment update from National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. When you will go to the official website of NIELIT, here in the recruitment you will see the advertisement. So here one advertisement has been posted for the post of scientist B in a National Technical Research Organization NTRO. Okay, and this on direct recruitment basis. This has been published on the 18th December, and the recruitment submission or the online submission will be start from the 21st December. Last date will be 19th January. Let's see the details. So here you can see when you will go to the detail advertisement, the detail advertisement will be open. Let's have a discussion on this one. So this is the NTRO Scientist B recruitment 2023. So start date will be 21st, as today is the 20. You can start submission from the tomorrow, and the last date will be 19th January. Okay, let's see how many vacancies are here. Let's see all the details. So the post will be Scientist B, General Central Civil Service Group A, gazetted post. Level 10 will be the pay scale 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus these allowances. You can see the allowances are also mentioned here. So all these benefits are also available. So when we will go for the next thing here, the service conditions are mentioned. You can see number of vacancies. So total number of vacancies are 74. This is for electronics and communication. Total number of vacancies are 35. For computer science, total number of vacancies are 33. For geoinformatics and remote sensing, number of vacancies are 6. So overall here they are having 74 vacancies. As the classification, category wise classification is mentioned, you can see here. When I will go for the next thing, eligibility condition. So the requirement is BEB Tech plus GET scorecard or MEM Tech, then the GET scorecard is also necessary. So in electronics and communication, first class master degree is also valid, and first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology with electronics communication, instrumentation, all these branches are mentioned here. Plus a candidate should have valid GET scorecard of year 21 or 22 or 23 with the paper code EC will be eligible. Okay, so they are recruiting on the basis of GET scorecard. After the GET scorecard, they will filter you, and then they will call for the written test. After written test, there will be an interview. So this is a 3-step process: GET scorecard, after that the written test, CBT, and third will be the interview. Okay, let's see the more details here. So this is for the EC branch. The next is for the CS computer science, the same thing, first class master degree in this one, okay, or BEB Tech in the computer science with these specific branches are mentioned, and valid GET scorecard is definitely required. So you can see these are the essential qualifications. When I will talk about the age limit, so maximum age limit is 30 years here, which is clearly mentioned. The age relaxations you can use according to the rules of the government of India. Okay, and when I will talk about the next thing is fee. Yeah, so the candidates who are from SC, ST or female candidate, then there is no need to pay any fees, but for the others they need to pay rupees 250, okay, through the online payment mode only via the applications. The process is mentioned, how to apply, all the steps are mentioned. This is a candidates can apply online. Okay, so here every details are mentioned, how to apply, what to do, all the steps are mentioned, you can see here. Okay, and the scheme, this is the important thing, selection process or including the scheme of examination. So as I told you, they will have a written test. So written test will be the CBT. Number of name of post is Scientist B. Number of questions will be 100. Maximum marks will be 200. Duration will be 2 hours. So this will be a CBT first test. After that, this will be MCQ, multiple choice questions. After that, the interview will be there. Marks of the interview will be 50 marks. Okay, so candidates who are shortlisted on the basis of their performance in the stage 1, means the written test, they will call, okay, shall only be called for the stage 2, the interview. Okay, and which will be conducted at the New Delhi. So this is the selection process as it is mentioned. I told you all these 3 steps Okay, so here you can see out of the maximum, what is the requirement? 40% marks for the reserve and the 50% for the unreserved categories. And here also you can see in the 100 the GATE scorecard is required, same 50% for the unreserved and 40% in both the stages, written test and interview also. Okay, and here the all the details are also mentioned. You can see the important dates as I told you earlier. Let me repeat. So the online application or the registration process will start from the 21st December. Last date will be 19th January. For more details you can go to the official website which I told you. Thank you.